Hi guys, this is the second part of my AIRFIX Blenheim project. If you not saw the first part, you can watch it here. There are a lot of things happened since the last update. I joined the Nordic Power Group build with this model kit. And the build developed nicely, as I planned, until I broke my left shoulder in an air scooter accident. I tried to continue building this kit with one hand during the rehabilitation, but I was failed, so I pushed this kit to the side. I was upset, but I found an easy kit which I was able to build with using mostly one hand. The healing process was very slow, but I was able to use my left hand more day by day. And then I was started another project, and another, but I was ignored the Blenheim all the time, until one of my subscribers mentioned that I abandoned the Blenheim and I should finish it. And man, he was right. So I did. When I restarted the project, I had to realize that one of the propeller part was missing. It was a very small but important part. Luckily, the Blenheim has two propellers, so I had a template for the missing part. This product called blue stuff. Well, because technically it is a blue stuff. It's a nice product, but not because of the creative name giving. It comes handy if you want to copy a part of the model kit. I bought it about 5 years ago, but I never use it so far. Well, there is always a first attempt. Here is how it works. Just drop it in hot water and make a template of the part what you're working on. If the template ready, use milliput, that's all. But I talked enough. It's time now to speed up the things a bit. It's time now to reveal the finished model kit. This project is finished, but there is another Second World War airplane project coming soon. Which model kit airplane will I build? I don't know. It depends what my viewers want. Here is another video. You can vote on that video's comment section. And again, thank you for watching.